Hey guys, welcome to a event today. So this is Aaron31 Deal MJ doing a solo toy and show on my channel. So we're gonna check out if the toys of which is the booth of where they sell, and they also we're gonna go to Pit Party, take a closer look of the trucks for the Hollywood Monster truck, but it's not Martian. So here we go. We're about to get in the event in the stadium. As soon as we get in the well, know what I mean. So let's get into it. Yeah, there's a Hollywood Monster Trucks live of a Party Car show. Anything else? Here's gun still right here of the convenience card of Hollywood Monster Truck. Live, so here it is, closer look of gun store. Alright, we already saw the Pit Party, and now we're gonna get a certain event. See you in part 2 of this video, and see you when we get towards that.